Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you my latest album, which is based on love theme, as the Valentine's is coming soon. So that's my cover, and the paper pack which I have used is the Be Mine paper collection from Dress My Craft, and that's the spine. This album measures 8.5 by 8 3/4 inches by, and the spine is 3/1/4 inch. Okay, and I have used a different binding system. Also, I have prepared a tutorial for this if you guys want to join in for the tutorial. This is the first page, and it's like a hexagonal tower. Look at the detailing which I have done on this, and this is quite beautiful to look at. So it goes like this, if you can see, and it rotates, so you can see through all the pictures easily. So you can hold at least 18 pictures on this, and then when you close it down, it just goes down like so. And you can also see the pictures like this, and then it just pops down. Alright, and the next one is like this. You just open it like so, rotate them, and when you open, you have pop-up. You can hold pictures, and you can open these as well, and then you can have more pictures here. Okay, and then this just closes down like so. Then you also have inserts on each page when you and you can just journal, or you can add collage over here. And the next one is like a box, and it's just pop-ups, and you can add more pictures to it on the sides and even at the back like so. There's a huge space for a big picture over here. And then when you open it up, there's a different pop-up here. Then you have 12 to 15 pictures over here, right here, and then you can place 1 or 2 pictures on top and the bottom as well. And then here we have a belly band, can hold 2 or 3 pictures, and then when you open it up, you have a good pocket, and you can hold a lot bigger sizes of your pictures. And I've also put some tags that were just leftovers from my paper. And then here is a huge space. You can just admire the paper, this beautiful couple. And then when you open it up, then you get another pop-up. So I'm gonna just show it like this. And then each of this has a layer, and you can put some photos here as well. These are small tuck spots, and then you can put big 4x4 here, and then also over here 4x4s. So you have enough pictures. If you want, you can also put pictures at the back. So that's another page, and then you just close it up. Then we have these photo mats. They act as a closure. And then when you remove the photo mats, this one opens here, and you have a space for picture over here, and then it just opens up like this. Okay, and then you have these small tuck spots. These are spaces for little small photos, and this is just for your show. This just closes up, and then when you close it up, you can just close this whole thing with rest of your pictures. Okay, and this is the same page as the other one. It just gives you a view when you just look at your pictures like this. I hope you guys like this page. And then over here we have like a box, and this one you have a space for picture here. And then when you open it up, this is like a box here. Okay, and then we have a space here as well to keep 1 or 2 photo mats. and then you can have a ton of pictures on in this box. So you can see I have just put at least a dozen photo mats. Okay, and then this one, this just rotates. You can see your landscape or your portrait photos. Just play with it. Okay, and then this one opens up like so. We have a shaker pocket. Look at this beautiful sequence, and then we have two space for pictures here as well. Alright, and then when you open this side here like so, you get another pop-up. Okay, and then you also have space here as well. You can put two pictures. Okay, and then you have these as well. Alright, now we have one more pocket over here. I have put some large photo mats so you can get your big size photographs or collages. And the next one is like a see-through envelope. Sorry for the glare. And I just found this an interesting way to look at your pictures. And then we have a waterfall. So here alone we can get around 20 pictures or something. Okay, and then it just rotates as well, and you can see them like so. Okay, and just play with it, and then when you come take it back, it just pops into place with a magnet. All right, then this closes up. And then for the last page, this is also interactive. First I'm just gonna show you, this is a closure for this. You can put picture here as well, and then we have an accordion fold like this, and then you can paste your pictures over here. Admire this Eiffel Tower, beautiful Eiffel Tower. And then when you just pull this up, this is like a slider thing. Okay, and then you can reveal two pictures over here as well. Sorry, I just bumped my camera. Okay, and then when you just push it, it just closes up. See, it opens and closes, so simple. And then you can close this as well. So this is like this. Hope you guys like my album. Do share your views and comment, and for all more upcoming videos and love projects, just stay to my channel and subscribe. Till then, stay safe. Thank you for watching. This is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. Bye.